5 things you definitely need to know about the Audi S1. The Audi S1 is the most compact model of the Audi Sport Club. With 231 horsepower and 270 Nm of torque, you can drive from 0 to 100 in 5.8 seconds. The Audi S1 has quattro 4-wheel drive, which together with the electronic differential lock, provides a lot of grip. Via the Audi Drive Select menu, which you can find on the Audi MMI, or via this button, the driver can select different driving modes, which influence the throttle response and the firmness of the shock absorption. The appearance of the Audi S1 has been adapted to its sporty performance. The Audi S1 is equipped with front and rear sport bumpers, 17-inch wheels, the well-known Audi Sport aluminum mirror caps, xenon headlights including the distinctive red trim, and of course the 4 exhaust pipes of an Audi S model. The rear spoiler is part of the Quattro exterior package, which is available as an option and included in this demo car. The Audi S1 is only available with a manual transmission and is not available as an automatic. Unlike the Audi A1, the Audi S1 has 6 gears instead of 5. The Audi S1 logo is shown at the front grille frame, the brake calipers, the tailgate, the door sills, the front seats, the steering wheel, and the dashboard. The battery of the Audi S1 is located in the back of the car instead of the engine compartment. This is done for optimizing the balance of the car. Thank you for watching this video, thumbs up if you liked this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.